Ever wondered how some of the world's most innovative startups go from a groundbreaking idea to a multi-billion-dollar company? It's not just about the idea, it's about the fuel that powers the engine, funding. Today, we're pulling back the curtain on one of the biggest names in the fintech world, a company that's revolutionized global payments and financial services, Airwallex. You've probably used their services or at least heard their name mentioned in business circles. They've made international transactions seamless, helping businesses of all sizes operate globally without the usual headaches. But how did they get the capital to build such a powerful platform? How do you fund a company like Airwallex? This isn't a simple story of a single investment. Airwallex's journey is a masterclass in strategic, multi-stage funding. It's a textbook example of how a company can evolve from an initial concept to a global financial powerhouse, attracting increasingly larger rounds of investment at each stage. It all started in 2015 with a seed round. This is the crucial, early-stage funding that gives a startup the initial boost to get off the ground. Airwallex secured a respectable $3 million, primarily from local Australian investors like Gobi Partners and Gobi Partners Australia. This seed money allowed them to build their initial product, hire their first few employees, and prove that their concept had legs. Once they had a working product and some early traction, it was time for Series A. This is where things get serious. In 2017, they raised a massive $13 million. This round was led by the Chinese tech giant Tencent, a powerful signal that the market was taking them seriously. This capital was used to scale their operations, expand into new markets, and develop new features for their platform. Series B followed in 2018, bringing in an additional $80 million. The lead investor this time was another big name, Horizons Ventures, the venture capital firm of legendary investor Li Ka-shing. This funding was critical for their global expansion, allowing them to open new offices and obtain financial licenses in key jurisdictions. The momentum continued with a staggering Series C round in 2019, which injected another $160 million into the company. This round saw new investors like DST Global and an increased commitment from existing backers. With this significant capital infusion, Airwallex solidified its position as a major player in the global fintech landscape, expanding its product suite and venturing into new business lines. Then came the Series D, E, and E2 rounds, each one larger than the last, attracting top-tier global investors like Salesforce Ventures, Sequoia Capital, and Lone Pine Capital. These later-stage rounds, often referred to as growth equity, are less about proving the concept and more about accelerating growth, making strategic acquisitions, and preparing for a potential IPO. So, how did they do it? It's a combination of a compelling product, a massive market opportunity, a talented and driven team, and a meticulously executed funding strategy. They didn't just ask for money, they built a narrative, proved their milestones at each stage, and attracted the right partners who could provide not just capital, but also strategic guidance and access to their networks. The story of Airwallex's funding is a blueprint for ambitious entrepreneurs everywhere, demonstrating the power of a long-term vision and the ability to execute on it. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.